Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start a very important video on German language. This video is about the boosting the vocabulary in German. तो हम इस वीडियो में देखते हैं कि वोकैबलरी को हम कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं जर्मन में। बहुत सारे वर्ड्स जो है इंग्लिश से जो बने हुए होते हैं वो जर्मन में कैसे बनाते हैं। Word formation in German. In some words, ION remains same in German also, like voice in English. So let us have a look at ION ending words in English and in German also. So let us see first of all ION ending words in German and in English both. In English it is information, but it is Information in German. Second one is here situation. It is Situation in German. Next one is portion, but it is Portion in German. Next word concentration. It is Konzentration in German. Next word qualification. It is Qualifikation. Modification, Modification. Communication, Kommunikation. You can see here there are slight changes in the spelling, but ION remains same. Next one is here ANT ending words. There is also no change. For example, arrogant, and it is in German arrogant. Tolerant, tolerant. Restaurant, restaurant. So there is no change in ANT ending words. The same way we have here ENT ending words also. So ENT is also same and there is no change. For example, in English intelligent and in German also intelligent. Prominent and in German prominent. Experiment, in German also experiment. So there is no change. Now next AL ending words also. There is no change in spelling. In English it is normal and in German it is normal. In English it is formal and in German formal. In English ideal and in German ideal. Next type of words here OR ending words. In English professor and in German professor. Motor, motor. Pastor, pastor. IST ending words also remain same. For example here tourist, tourist. Realist, realist. Optimist, optimist. Next one is here ending words. Maximum, maximum. Minimum, minimum. And museum, museum. Next type of words are ADE ending words. Blockade, blockade. Parade, parade. Serenade, serenade. Now we will see some words. They change their endings. For example, ICIC and ICAL ending words changes to ISCH ish. So let us see some examples here. For example, political. So in German it is politisch. Typical, in German it is typisch. Romantic, and in German it is romantisch. Next type of words IVE changes to IV. First one is here negative and it is in German negative. Second one is here intensive and in German it is intensive. Impulsive, impulsive. Creative, creative. Next type of words are yes, ty ending, and ty changes to tat. For example, reality. So it is in German Realität, and in English identity, Identität, mentality, Mentalität, and university, Universität. So next type of words are here am ending words, and am changes to amm. For example, in English gram, and in German gram, gram. Diagram, and in German diagram, and anagram, and in German anagram. Next type of words where ure ending words changes to ur. For example, cure. So it is in German Kur, and nature it is Natur. Sculpture, Sculptur. Next type of words ance ending words, and ance changes to anz. For example, in English ignorance, and in German ignorance. In English elegance, and in German elegance. In English tolerance, and in German tolerance. The same way ence ending words, ence changes to enz. For example, intelligence, and in German it is intelligence. Conference, and in German also it is conference. Turbulence, and it is turbulence in German. Next type of words here at and ate ending words, and at or ate changes to at. For examples here private, so it is privat in German. Duplicate, it is duplicat, and diplomat, it is diplomat. So D changes to T in German. For example, hard, so it is in German hard, and cold it is kalt, so D has changes to T. And drink we say in German trinken. Some words ends in th in English, that changes to D in German. For examples, bath, so bath changes to bat, and thing becomes ding. To thank, that becomes danken, and thorn becomes dawn in German. K changes to ch in German. For example, book, so it is Buch. To make, machen, and to break, brechen. Next one is here y changes to z. For example, say changes to sagen. To lay changes to legen, and to fly, fliegen. So y hat changes to g. Next one is here GST changes to CHT in German. For examples, here we have here LIGST light, that becomes LICHT list, and sight, SIGST sight becomes gist, and daughter becomes Tochter in German. So GST has changed to CHT. Next type of words P changes to PF. At or near the beginning. If P is at or near the beginning, then P changes to PF. For example, plaster becomes flaster, and pan become fanner. Pepper becomes fapper. If P is in the middle or at the end of a word, that P changes to F. For example, sharp becomes sharp, SCHARF. So P has changes to F. Ship becomes ship, and to help becomes helfen. Now how changes to B, bay. So in the middle or at the end of a word, if there is fow means we, the V changes to B. For example, we have in English have, so that becomes haben. So B has changes to B. To live, leben, and to give, geben. Next type of words, T changes to S if T is in the middle or at the end of a word. So T changes to S. For example, in English we have what, and in German was. Water becomes Wasser and batter becomes Besser. So T has changed to S in German. So that is all for this video. So I hope you have learned so many kinds of new words in German also. So we'll learn something new in next video. So till then, tschüss. Ciao.